This is a variation of that problem in my stats lab in the week 4 homework. And they're asking us to identify the shape and then about how many players, so I guess we can do that. So let's talk about the shape. I'm hoping you got out of the reading that you can compare the mean and the median and decide which is left skewed, right skewed, or symmetric. So if I think about this on a number line, and I've got 1 million, 1.1 million, I'm rounding, and then I get 3.2 million is up here. That tells me because the mean is higher than the median, I must have some outliers, some stragglers out here. In fact, if I can look at, I guess I can add in the rest of that data. I know the low is 400,000, so let's see, that's about half. Let's see, if this is 0, 400,000 would be about 0.4 million, and 33 million would be way up here off my screen. So that tells me I've got a whole bunch of, since the median is here, half the data is less than that, the other half is spread out all that way. I've got a tail that's way out to the right. That would tell me that this is a right skewed distribution. Salary distributions typically are right skewed, though I won't say that's always true, but typically they are. So how many players had salaries of that much or more? Well, let's see. Since we know this is the median, and that's the halfway point, half of 817 would be what? 408.5. So 408, 409. You'd have to see what my stats lab was looking at for an answer there, because you can't have a half a person. Okay, so that's how you deal with this kind of skew distribution.